Hello my friends, this is Jovi from jovibronia.com, and tonight I'm going to show you how quick and easy you can create your own thumbnail for your YouTube videos. To do so, you go to the tool canva.com. It's a free tool where you can create whatever images, whatever pictures you want to create for whatever platform you are going to use. You can create them for Facebook, for Pinterest, for Instagram, for Twitter, for any kind of platforms you love. You're going to use that. You can put your pictures here together. So, and to do one for YouTube videos, for the thumbnail, you need a predefined size, and the best size you can use, because it's proven that it gives you the most results, because it's going to be a clear picture, because the pictures on YouTube are quite small, so it has to be clear and good defined. So you take the size 1920 to 1080. So now you're going to create a new design. Yes, and you can take whatever picture you want to have on your thumbnail. You can download it from the internet. You have some templates right here from Canva itself. You can, but and that is the best variation, if you take a picture of yourself pointing to what you are going to say in the video, so that the picture relates to the video. This is the best thing to do, because people immediately see what the topic is. Okay, so I took a picture of myself. It's not a it's not the best one. The lighting is not so good right here, but I took that just to show you how quick and easy this can be here. So, and the more you use Canva, the better and the faster you will get, because I haven't used it for a while right now, and I I struggled a little bit to get into the motion again here. So this is a picture I took right before. Another one I want to put in here is the one with that YouTube icon. You just have to define redefine to adjust the borders here. Then another thing I want to show you is that you can, into elements, you can, for example, if you have a picture here without a YouTube icon, you can choose an icon from Canva itself. Canva offers different kind of YouTube icons. So these are free ones, and you have paid ones as well, but it's very cheap, $1 or so. So I didn't choose this because I have already an icon here. So I'm just going to add a text now. I'm going to choose the color and position the text. So you can move the text around, you can and then you choose the size. Adjust again. Okay, and you choose a format. I want to have this one right now. So, and then put into my text. Now I want to have another text right here. Move it around. choose the format again, format text. Sorry guys, I'm just repeating that step by step that you can see it. Wow, millimeters work here. Okay, I'm going to delete that. Okay, hope you're not going to I'm not boring you, but I just wanted to show you step by step. So create your thumbnail. This is what I wanted to show you. Then you can it's easy to do. You just need a little bit of practice, and the more you do that, the quicker and faster you get. So you're going to save that now, and you can save it here into save. It's written in German where I live. So on your side you will have it in English. Then you're going to download that onto your computer. And then you are going to YouTube. Here we are, and you are uploading your video. I'm going to do that after just after this video. I'm going to do that. You download your video because you saved it on your computer as well. So you download it, and then as soon as you have downloaded it, you will get your how is this called? I don't remember the name, but you will have some pictures to choose from. These are screenshots of your video you uploaded, and you will have the choice to upload your own thumbnail. And then there you're going to click, and you will choose your just created thumbnail from your desktop and upload it here. So your video will show up with your new created thumbnail. So I hope this was helpful, and sorry if I do some English mistakes, but I hope that this is going to be of value for you. Yes, to create your own thumbnail. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry, I'm catastrophic tonight. I'm so sorry. Okay, I wish you a good evening and a good time, and see you on my next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.